Alright, I'm gonna talk to y'all I'm gonna tell y'all a little story that happened today. So as you can see, the ferry has a lot of cars, right? The car behind me was mine. It's a rental, but I barely made it. I was the very last person, or one of the very last people to actually get into the this ferry, and it departs ever so often. I think this one departed at 10 o'clock, but I guess I was lucky that I made it. And this is it's been a weird experience so far because everyone speaks like Danish or Faroese around me, and I feel like I'm the only American, the only Filipino, that's all, and I get the stares. But it's fine. I'm kind of used to it by now. It's been a really nice experience. Just some thoughts is like, I was able to talk to some people, local people around here. It's been a really great experience so far. I mean, I like it. These Nordic Scandinavian countries are awesome. And we'll see what's up. I'm supposed to be arriving there in 20 minutes, I guess. But there's a beautiful lighthouse at the end of this island that I'm going to, and I have to take a ferry because there's no underground tunnel, sea tunnel, or a bridge or causeway that goes from one island to another in the Faroe Islands, going to the island of Kalsoy. I'm not even sure if I'm saying it correctly, but I ended up in the wrong place before I got here. I ended up in another small town, another small village, and that's where I thought the ferry was departing. But I asked a local there, and the town is, I forgot what it's, Kunoy I think is the name of the town. Kunoy? I could be wrong. But I asked one of the local people in that town, a town of only, or a village of only 69 people. One of them I asked, and asked if the ferry was departing from there, and she told me it's back in Klaksvik. So I went back to Klaksvik, and I saw, lo and behold, the way going here. Which was interesting. I haven't had that experience. I paid 160 krona for it, for one person. Yeah. But I will give y'all updates. In the meantime, explore and enjoy the view.